Hello from Bali. I'm so excited to announce the Bali Art Retreat, September 2019. We found this beautiful resort up near Ubud. It's on the edge of the rice paddies and also the jungle, so we have beautiful bird life, lovely little squirrels flitting here and there. We're going to be in the villa that's just up here and paint on the big wide front porch. There's a swimming pool really close by that we can cool off in. So that's just a little bit about the actual resort that we're staying at. We're going to have a couple of day trips to the bird park and the elephant park. That's all optional, but they might give you inspiration. But the gardens and everything here, I'm sure, will give you loads of inspiration. Now, I'd just like to let you know it's a very safe environment. You will come in through the airport and get picked up and be brought straight here. So for those ladies who've never been to Bali before, or maybe you have been and you really love it, maybe it's something you'd like to do. I do only have a small amount of spots, so be quick. Thank you. Bye from now. Bye from Bali. Bye.